everyone! Merry Christmas! I hope you will always watch my videos, guys. And please do subscribe my channel. Ayan. And if you like my videos, guys, you can also send me a Super Things gift. And you can avail also a membership on my channel, guys. It's very affordable. Ayan. You can help me, guys, by watching my videos. I hope you will help me, guys, to watch my videos so that I can send money to my mother, guys. She's in our province. Ayan. She is 80 years old, guys. And soon, ayan, sana mapadalhan ko siya ng pang-allowance, guys, every month. Ayan, to buy her daily needs like pampers, like milk, medicine, vitamins. Ayan, I'm so sorry. I'm not feeling well today, guys. I have a dry cough. And runny nose, guys. Ayan, I hope you will help me, guys. And please do support my channel. Watch my videos so that I can help my mother, guys. I really miss my mother. She is in our province. Yeah, very far. Here in Manila. I need to um sasakay pa ako ng airplane, guys, bago makarating doon sa aming province. Ayan. I hope you will support me, guys, so that I can help also to other people who need my help. Ayan. I'm helping also, guys, to those people need food. Ayan, soon. That is my goal, guys. That's why I'm do vlogging. I'm do vlogging, guys, because I want to help soon. I hope I can reach it. I can reach, guys. I can do my plan is to help those people who need my help. And no food. Ayan, that is my guys. That is my mission and goal in life. That's why I'm do vlogging. I hope you will also help me, guys, to reach my goal and to reach my mission, guys, is to help. Ayan. Thank you so much to all my subscribers out there. Thank you so much for always supporting my channel, guys. Always supporting my videos. I hope you will always watch my videos, guys. You will always support my channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you will love me all. Also, guys, love my videos. Love me. Love my channel, guys. And more subscribers to come. Please do subscribe my channel, guys. Watch my videos. I You will like it, guys. You will like my videos and you will enjoy it because it's all about my passion. It's very nice. It's very nice, guys. So you will enjoy it. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you will always support my channel. Watch my videos. Thank you so much to all my new subscribers, to all my uh best subscribers out there for watching my videos. Thank you so much. I love you all. Love you all, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Bye.